Hey guys, the Happy Cultivator here, Urban Gardener. It is Friday. Friday. Very happy that it's Friday, and very happy to know that tomorrow I'm going to be harvesting some good stuff. You may wonder, Urban, what's this video about? Well, as you see, I'm here in front of Gnome headquarters. You've seen it recently in Game of Gnomes, and I actually gave you guys a tour of Gnome headquarters. Well, you guys know that I am the Happy Cultivator. I believe in peace, love, happiness, harmony, great cannabis for all. And I believe it was God's gift to us. And it was God's gift free. He created the seeds. He gave us the herb bearing the seeds to use as we so desire. Yet it seems that some people have lost the truth about cannabis and the truth about God's gift to us and have let it turn into, let me say, a little less happy than it really should be. So, I'm here in front of Gnome headquarters. As you know, I am the general of the Gnome Army, the 5-bud general, Urban Gardener, and I'm starting a global war on hate. And I'm starting a global campaign for peace, love, harmony, unity, and free beans for all. After all, you guys know that it is our medicine, and we need it. Some of us, like me, have a pinched nerve. Runs from my C5 all the way down to my thumb, gives me numbness, gives me pain. Some of us have other illnesses that we need to heal, and cannabis is the great healer. I believe all should be able to have access to cannabis. Yet there are some out there that they use it for monetary purposes. No, I'm not going to lie. Yes, I do have a GoFundMe account to donate to my channel. And that's to help keep content coming out to you guys. And it's to help send out packages. As you guys know, I plan on sending out 420 beans this next year. That's not going to be cheap. And if you so desire to donate for this giveaway, that would be awesome. So anybody that wants to go to the GoFundMe and put in a little bit of shipping, even $5 ships out 1 pack of beans in the United States. $11 ships out beans to Canada. And the UK is about the same. Now, Sweden's going to cost me $25. Australia cost me about $25. But it's not about that. That's not what this video is about. This video is about the hate that's been going on in the community. And the hate is based on greed. And cannabis shouldn't have greed. You guys all know, some of us out there say, more weed, less greed. Some of us say, free the bean. Some of us say, go out and plant as much as you can around. There is a campaign in Canada where they're giving out free beans just to place plants in public areas. Be awesome to do that here in the US. So I come to you with the Gnome Army. We do have the lieutenant here. And I'm asking you guys to free the love, free the peace, free the harmony, and start helping me with the global campaign for love, harmony, and unity within the cannabis community. It's really hard for me when I see what's going on out there, especially being the Happy Cultivator, where everyone is welcome, including the trolls. Anybody that's ever hated on my channel, anybody that's ever given a dislike, I still love you. Come on back. I don't care. You guys know I poke fun at it with Game of Gnomes, with my Gnome Army. It's all in good fun. I'm not trying to hurt anybody's feelings, and if you notice, I don't put anybody's names in anything. It's just simply having fun. So this video is simply to say that I'm uniting with other good guys out there to free the bean, to free the peace, to free the love, and to free the harmony and unity within the cannabis community. So I'm teamed up with B, as you know, and unofficially, I'm teaming up with Frostys Genetics. Frosty, you're a good dude, and I hope you see this video. And I hope you realize that I'm united with you, man, and we're going to get those beans out to all those that need it and need their medication. So I ask you guys all to join with me in the united front for peace, love, and harmony within the cannabis community. And all those that have thrown some shade, I just ask you to turn it around, bring back the love, and we'll accept you. So let's just cut the hate, because we don't have time for hate in this world. There's way too much of it. There's a lot of bullshit going on in the world, politically and globally, and I don't have time for that. Like my shirt says, enjoy the ride. I tell my wife from time to time, oh, sorry there, buddy. Look, he was so sad that he fell. He just really sat on the hate. Sorry about that, buddy. But, yeah. I love you guys, so join me in the united front for peace, love, and harmony. And enjoy the ride, because life's short, and you never know when your day may come. It could come any day, guys. Think about all the stuff that's going in the world and what could come against you. So just remember, today may be your last day. Do you want to live it in hate, misery? Not me. Today may be my last day. So I want to be happy. I want to be peaceful. And I want to love on everybody. Because I am the happy cultivator, and I will stay the happy cultivator. So you guys just have a great blessed day. Have a great blessed month. Have a great blessed year. And just join me in this global fight for love, peace, unity, harmony, and freeing the bean. So if you'd like to join me in freeing the bean, sub up if you haven't subbed up, give a like, give a comment, and if you really can, it'd be great to get a couple donations for the 420 giveaway, because I will be giving away 420 beans along with my co-sponsor B. And we will be getting those out to you guys on every 4th of the month in 2020, because they are all 420. With that, I say, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden, guys.